Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to enable downloading your LinkedIn email address on your PC using the latest LinkedIn update. If you want to make sure your connections can export your email, or you simply want more control over your privacy settings, follow these simple steps. First, open your preferred browser and head to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your LinkedIn preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Click on Visibility. This section lets you control who can see your activity, profile details, and more. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Who can see or download your email address. Click to enter this setting. Here, you'll notice a new feature that allows you to decide if your connections can export your email address when they download their LinkedIn data. To enable this option, look for the toggle or checkbox next to Allow connections to export emails. Switch it on. You may be prompted to confirm your choice or enter your password for security reasons. Once you've enabled this setting, your connections will be able to include your email address in their data exports, according to LinkedIn's privacy rules. That's it. You've successfully enabled the option to allow your LinkedIn email address to be downloaded by your connections. Remember, you can always return to this setting and turn it off if you change your mind later. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date LinkedIn tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.